Intro, presented by Ridemexo. Welcome to Ridemexo, where we explore the most iconic machines on two wheels. Today's spotlight is on one of Harley Davidson's boldest legends, the Harley Davidson Fat Boy. Design presence. The Fat Boy stands out with its muscular stance, solid disc wheels, and unmistakable chrome attitude. Its low-slung body and wide fork design give it a powerful road presence that demands attention anywhere it goes. Engine performance. Powered by the Milwaukee 8 engine, the Fat Boy delivers strong low-end torque and smooth highway performance. Its refined power delivery, combined with a responsive throttle, makes every ride feel effortless yet thrilling. Ride comfort. Handling. The wide seat, relaxed riding posture, and improved suspension provide long-distance comfort. Despite its bulky look, the Fat Boy handles confidently, offering stability and balance for both cruising and city rides. Features. Technology. Modern LED lighting, high-performance brakes, and optional rider assist features enhance safety and control. The bike blends the classic Harley character with modern functionality for an upgraded riding experience. Conclusion. The Harley Davidson Fat Boy remains a symbol of pure American power and style. For riders who want a bold, iconic, and comfortable cruiser, this machine stands unmatched.